We need to adjust the parameters for the stress analysis here.
The current yield strength is exceeding the threshold.
The material properties meet the parameters, but we must optimize for sustainability.
By implementing this lean process,
These material properties are exactly what we need for the turbine assembly.
Yes, the thermal resistance is within the critical specifications.
As you can see, the material properties exceed the required performance parameters.
Yes, but the simulation suggests...
These design specifications meet the performance parameters. The material analysis confirms it.
Agreed. The digital twin simulation shows optimal life cycle performance.
The new design specification enhances durability while reducing waste materials.
And it meets all the stringent...
Let's analyze the material properties here at the connection point.
The simulation shows the performance parameters are optimized with this welding sequence. Meticulous preparation procedures implementing data-driven decision-making with comprehensive attention to dimensional tolerances, material specifications, and quality standards.
This phase is critical for the dimensional check. Ensure the laser scanner calibrates correctly against the material that repeats.
We've addressed all stringent safety protocols and material specifications. Tolerances are confirmed.
Excellent.
Primary manufacturing sequence showing highly trained technicians and sophisticated automated systems, progressive forming critical industrial components.
Quality metrics are confirmed. We have clearance to proceed with the next batch.
Data aligned, resource management optimized.
CMM confirms dimensional accuracy. All parameters are green.
Flawless surface integrity. We are clear for the next sequence.
The dimensional accuracy on the latest batch is exceeding tolerance.
Confirmed. Surface finish quality is optimal as well.
Look at the yield metrics here. We've reduced waste by another 5%.
That aligns perfectly with our sustainability targets for Q3.
Through advanced Industry 4.0, our automated systems ensure exceptional dimensional accuracy and
Check the dimensional accuracy readout on the new component.
Flawless. The cold extrusion sequence is perfectly calibrated.
We have optimal performance on the installation cycle.
Yes, the diagnostics confirm exceptional quality across the board.
The laser calibration seems perfect. Look at the integrity of that weld.
Agreed. We're maximizing efficiency on this run.
Inspection sequence 334.55 complete. Dimensional accuracy confirmed.
Circle. The predictive analysis on the 334.57 looks stable.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance for the next batch.
The servo actuators are performing flawlessly.
Look at that surface finish. Structural integrity confirmed.
We have a flashing alert on the dimensional accuracy report for batch 59.
Acknowledged. Rerunning the structural integrity scan immediately.
We are in the critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing the integrated hydraulic control system. Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing complex electrical wiring harnesses.
Critical subsystem integration phase, comprehensive interface compatibility testing, redundant fail-safe mechanisms, and exhaustive functional verification.
Groups with condition fitted structures in plastic rigid phase. Emits a pulse dusting.
Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing redundant safety interlock systems and explaining sophisticated predictive maintenance systems.
The critical subsystem integration is complete. We have verified the redundant, fail-safe mechanisms and confirmed
The wireless communication integration is complete.
Analyzing the data-driven decision-making.
the lifecycle data confirms stability across all metrics.
The statistical analysis supports deployment.
Initiating authorization sequence. The comprehensive statistical analysis is complete. We have authorization for full production release.
Agreed. The data supports commercial deployment.
The sensors confirm the localized stress at point C.
Document that for the FMEA report before we sign off.
The statistical analysis confirms the NVH levels are optimal.
Excellent. Document everything. We are clear for full production.
Meticulous documentation confirms the results. We can authorize the production release.
Agreed. The statistical analysis is flawless.
The statistical analysis shows the optimization thresholds are met.
Yes, the data is conclusive. We can authorize full production release.
The predictive models are holding steady across all parameters. We can authorize the production release.
Confirmed. Documentation is finalized. The oscillation metrics are stable across the board. Confirmed. All subsystems are nominal.
Good.
Authorize full production release.
Additionally, demonstrating manufacturing excellence and unwavering commitment to continuous quality improvement,
The advanced predictive analytics confirm maximum operational efficiency, and the integrated systems show exceptional customer satisfaction levels.
Operational availability remains at 99.9%.
The new protocols are a complete success, minimizing our environmental impact.
Systematic diagnostic procedures are green across all platforms.
Confirmed. We have achieved maximum operational availability.
Comprehensive operational support utilizing lean manufacturing principles, advanced digital management platforms, and integrated analytics systems.
Look at the sigma levels here.
Well within tolerance A. The new platform is maximizing availability.
Global compliance is holding at 9 to 7%.
And customer satisfaction scores are exceptional this quarter.
The integrated analytics confirm full operational availability.
Excellent. Product longevity maximized as requested.
Series. We are implementing continuous technical training, utilizing sustainable manufacturing methods with our extensively trained personnel.
Our integrated analytics confirm peak
Operational efficiency this quarter.
The digital transformation initiatives are clearly. We implement integrated fleet management tracking systems utilizing supply chain optimization.
Ensuring exceptional customer satisfaction levels.
Citizens.
The predictive maintenance system indicates we need to optimize the calibration in line 4 to maximize product longevity.
Our IoT monitoring has maximized product longevity across the line.
And operational availability is at 99%.
Comprehensive operational support utilizing data-driven decision-making and integrated analytic systems, ensuring optimal product performance and exceptional quality.
Our comprehensive preventive maintenance scheduling utilizes precision engineering methodologies, maximizing product longevity and operational availability.
Look at the energy pulse on the 7th node.
That confirms the hypothesis. We have achieved full optimization.
Look at the throughput metrics here. The integration is seamless.
Yes, the predictive maintenance schedule seems accurate. We are ready for phase 3 deployment.
The new cooling system is fully integrated. We've maximized the operational efficiency.
100%. This changes everything for the next generation design.
The LCA data looks excellent. This material is exactly what the aerospace division needs.
Agreed. It meets all the sustainability targets. With this 5G connectivity, the Cobot's precision welding is flawless.
It's exciting to see the fundamental research.
Cutting-edge innovation laboratory actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation Level 5 autonomous driver assistance systems.
The conversion rate is exceeding the projected metrics by 15%.
This latest iteration significantly exceeds the target strength-to-weight ratio.
Absolutely. It secures our position for the next generation of aerospace contracts.
By combining the MR overlay with the physical component module.
The sustained brand value enhancement is clear across all markets.
The analytics support the optimization.
By integrating the ERP analytics, we've optimized resource allocation across the entire APAC supply chain.
Please. The latest market intelligence shows we've optimized our critical decisions. The regulatory risk is mitigated.
Agreed. As the market intelligence systems indicate, optimizing these critical organizational decisions is key. Review the items.
We need to reroute the APAC shipments immediately to avoid delays.
Jakarta route is clear. The algorithm shows a 50.
The ERP analytics show a clear path to a 15% reduction in manufacturing costs.
Does that align with the market intelligence?
Yes, sustaining.
We'll leverage the Veering phone.
If we leverage the engineering expertise shown here, we optimize
for Q4.
Agreed. Let's stay so.
Strategically integrated within the global infrastructure, this advanced ecosystem serves diverse industrial needs.
Reveals advanced manufacturing facilities to completely within.
A
complete industrial production ecosystem strategically and within broader global manufacturing infrastructure.